RiskyProject includes a Microsoft Project add-in. The add-in appears as a toolbar in the Microsoft Project ribbon. Using the RiskyProject add-in, you can run a Monte Carlo simulation or export the schedule to the RiskyProject desktop. To run a simulation, you first need to map the duration and/or cost data columns in Project to the corresponding data in RiskyProject. To map the data in Settings group, click Field Mapping. In the Field Mapping dialog, select the duration and/or cost fields that correspond with the low, most likely, and high estimates. By default, if you want to use the duration and cost fields for most likely, you can leave them as no mapping. Next, to run a simulation in Project, you must map text fields to which the statistical distribution data is stored. By default, these are text 11 for duration and text 12 for cost. These fields must be populated to run a simulation in Project. To populate this field, we can use the distribution dialog. Using this dialog, you can define uncertainties in task duration and statistical distribution type. By clicking on the Cost button, you can define uncertainties in fixed costs for a task or task group. This information will be saved once you save your Microsoft Project file. To run a simulation, click Calculate. This will start the Monte Carlo simulation, and when finished, the results of the analysis opens. This includes statistical distributions for project finish time, duration, and cost, as well as main project parameters with and without risks. The adjustable meters will show project risk scores. Using these buttons, you can export the schedule to RiskyProject and also open access to different RiskyProject views. For example, after running a simulation, you can open the result Gantt, which will show a risk-adjusted project schedule. Click on the Go to Back Microsoft Project button, and you will return to Microsoft Project.